So over here I started on this section of the stair railings, and this is what it's going to end up looking like, and I'll show you how to do that. So I'm going to put my padding down, my scrap piece of wood, and use my oscillating saw to undercut the 1x. Once the cut's done, you could remove this and chisel out the wood. So now you have space for your flooring to go under this. The cut depth is about 5/8 of an inch, so it should give me at least 1/8 of an inch for this to cover my wood and still have a gap between the edge of the wood and the inside. Alright, so I finished undercutting this silt plate all the way down. I like to start off by taking a chisel and wedging it in here to split that wood open. Just do it every 6 to 8 inches or so. Now that the wood's split, I have these picking tools. I like to use this one with the right angle. I just reach in there and try to get this out of there. Sometimes it helps to use a flathead screwdriver and kind of break the wood off. And then this tool will help you reach and grab the wood. So I'm putting this in here and I'm twisting it to grab it and I'm pulling. And then if I take my scrap wood, you'll see it fits more than enough under the sill plate. Right here it tells me I need to take some more out over here. But as far as from here and over here, it's good. All of the flooring got installed and the shoe molding got installed as well. And today the maid stopped by and she cleaned everything up and it turned out great. So here's how the flooring turned out on the sill plate for the stair railings. So it came out nice and clean. By undercutting the skirt board and then tucking the floor underneath, It gives it a nice clean look, and I didn't have to install an additional molding to cover up a gap if I hadn't done so. I'm not saying this is the only way you can install the flooring when you come into a situation like this, but in my opinion, it's the best way to do it. If there's another way to do it, comment below and share.